Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Friday. Let's kick off the second half with some football. Despite the win, head coach of Reggae Boyz, Jamaican Hallgrimson, says the team could have done better against Dominican Republic in their opening World Cup qualifier on Thursday. As you'll hear in this report, football's local governing body was also pleased with the turnout given the time change.
With the time of the game changed to 3:30 p.m. for such an important occasion, there were concerns that the crowd turnout would have been disappointing. However, fans came out in their numbers to watch the Reggae Boyz kick off their World Cup campaign. General Secretary for the Jamaica Football Federation, Dennis Strong, expresses delight at what he saw at the National Stadium.
No, it was an excellent turnout, and in addition to that, the rain was falling, you know. And I mean, you saw the crowd over bleachers and a grandstand, so we expect that it's going to be much better in September if we get the lights right.
Being touted as the favourites in this encounter, Jamaica were able to break the deadlock as speedster Ronaldo Cephas was able to put the ball on a platter for striker Shamar Nicholson to put away the opportunity. Cephas continued to be a menace and was rewarded for his troubles when Dom Rep gave up a penalty. Bobby Reid had the chance from 12 yards to increase Jamaica's lead. However, he wasn't even a threat to the opponent's goal as the game ended 1-0 in favour of the Jamaicans. A lack of speed and control of the game by the Jamaican team was something head coach Jamaican Hallgrimson says was unsatisfactory.
In general, it was too slow for my taste. We are not used to playing, or these strikers, for example, with all their individual quality, are not used to playing in a two-striker formation. So we need just time to get them to sync a little bit better.
And with what he's seen from his opponents before and during the game, Coach Hallgrimson has given them credit.
It's a good passing team. They are good on the ball. And if they are given time, it doesn't matter what formation we have, they will always, find the good passes.
The team has left the island on Friday for their second World Cup qualifier away to Dominica, which is on June 9. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.